usage of idioms and phrases. Okay, so what are idioms? Most of you know, but it's just that we don't use them often. Idioms basically are, these are few words that make sense when used in a context and not alone. For example, I can use vocabulary at the back of my hand. I am hand in glove with the language, right? I can speak English at the blink of my eye. We were talking about idioms and phrases. So idioms basically are a group of words that make sense when used in a context. If in isolation, they do not make any sense. I just used a few and I'll explain. For example, when I say blink of an eye, right? If I say that I can do this at the blink of my eye, it means I can do it very fast, right? If I say that I'm hand in glove with a concept, it basically means that I know the concept very well. हम हिंदी में इनको मुहावरे कहते हैं. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमें कोई भी बात कहनी है एंड इफ वी जस्ट रिप्लेस इट विद एन इडियम और अ मुहावरा, वी डोंट हैव टू रियली बिल्ड द होल कॉन्टेक्स्ट, वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द मीनिंग इज. अगर हम कहते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई मुहावरा है अकल चढ़ने जाना, तो अकल तो चढ़ने नहीं जाती है, बट हमें अगर हम किसी के लिए यूज करते हैं तो हमें उसका मतलब पता होता है कि हम क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट? या फिर समथिंग लाइक तारीफ के पुल बांधना. अगर कोई लड़का किसी लड़की के तारीफ के पुल बांधता है तो हमें पता होता है उसका क्या मतलब है, कुछ और बताने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, राइट? सो दीज आर बेसिकली a group of words that say a lot without saying a lot. And it's always good to use a lot of idioms and phrases while talking, because it makes the language beautiful, flowery, extremely pleasing, right? I mean, if I am talking to you and you tell me something like, I went to the market and the clothes were available at a dime a dozen, I totally understand what you're saying, right? You don't have to explain the whole context to me. It's just one idiom and done. It's just done. And it's so beautifully done that you're like, okay, nice. So get your hang, on a lot of idioms. Start with the easier ones, and then again, this is also vocabulary. Build it up. But use them while speaking, because anything is as good as its usage. आपने याद तो बहुत सारे करके रखे हैं, but if you don't use them, A, you'll forget them. B, there is no use, right? I mean, you watch a lot of cricket, but if you don't go on the pitch to play, what's the use? Right? And this is one example I take often because people connect with it. And when we have to do something, we wake up in the morning, we reach the cricket academy or the ground. I mean, even in quarantine, people were there playing cricket, and then unko dande pade and wo ghar gaye. So imagine the love for this sport in our country. So that's exactly the way to learn something. You need to be genuinely interested in it and practicing it. Right? So use a lot of idioms, use a lot of phrases, use a lot of proverbs if you can, stitch in time saves 9, make hay while the sun shines. Use them and you'll feel good about it yourself. I mean, you'll tell yourself, you'll pat yourself and say, oh my God, I am good.